right, good morning. Welcome to my weekend vlog. Also, can you tell I'm super excited for fall? I made a fall pumpkin latte. Pumpkin sauce, pumpkin spice on top. Oh, it's so good. Anyways, this weekend we have a lot to get done. I just discovered there's a fabric store near me. I've been buying all of my fabric online ever since our best friend Joanne closed. I found out that there's like an upholstery store near me, which I knew it was upholstery, but I didn't realize they had an apparel section. So hopefully it's good. We're gonna do that today. I also need to do my nails. I've had them on for like a month. Clearly we've lost a few soldiers, so that is first on the list of priorities today. I also need to do my toes. Those are looking terrible as well. Big project for the weekend is I'm actually going to like an enchanted like forest ball next weekend, and obviously I have to make my own outfit. Like, what do you think this is? Who do you think I am? Last minute ball gown, that's gonna get designed and patterned this weekend. Working on some sponsorships, but yeah, we're pretty booked and busy, so let's get the move on. Ouch. Hello there, are you sunning? Do you wanna help me with my nails? You look gorgeous. Enjoy your afternoon, King. Okay, first I need to remove these. Safety first. I'm not messing around here. Ta-da! Nails are finally bare. Takes me so long to prep them, but they're finally prepped. I actually last night bought some new nails. Oh wait, these are the old ones. Usually I do the Après Natural Almond Medium, but I'm getting kind of old. And I'm feeling like the short just makes my life a little bit more easier. Like I'm kind of struggling to type these days. So I got the short. I'm definitely an almond girl. Sometimes stiletto if I'm feeling edgy. But like I cannot do any other shape personally. I love the coffin girlies. Y'all look so cute with your coffin nails. I don't know. I'm also scared to branch out. Let me know what your go-to nail shape is. I would like to branch out once in a while. The almond's just too good though. Nails are on. I'm craving just like something simple and chic, but a little bit fun. I'm also craving blue. I'm currently redoing my whole bedroom. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek if no one's seen it yet. The only people who have seen it now are you guys watching this video. And there's a lot of blue in there. I've also been craving doing this like, I know she's old news, but like this like, not chrome. What would you call this? Not holographic, like you know, the Hailey Bieber Funny Bunny powder situation. I want to do this on a colored nail, and then I think I'll just do like 2 French tips on these fingers. Love an accent nail because then it makes it look like you tried really hard but you didn't. And then maybe a little rhinestone on the accent nail. I love getting the Beatles sets because they're tiny, like the big sets of the Beatles nail polish, and like nobody goes through all of those colors like a full bottle, so this is the way to go. Ooh, not that one. I think this one. Okay, let me just finish my nails and then we can go to the fabric store. I'm done! Yay! Honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about the short. I don't know, what shape and size do you guys think I should try? Maybe I just need to get used to this. Okay, next on the agenda, the fabric store closes at 5. So if you can't see because Hutch's face is blocking, it's almost 3 o'clock. I need to skedaddle over there because who knows, I could spend like 2 full hours in there. So let's go to the fabric store. Ah, new filming setup. I got a little magnet on my DJI Osmo. Look at the shot. That's kind of nice. We're on our way to our new fabric store. Here is like the sketch that I'm thinking. I'm kind of like, I want to keep it more, oh, Lady Gaga. I kind of want to keep it more on the simpler side in terms of like silhouette. Yeah, there's still going to be boning. Yeah, there's still going to be some like construction problems I'm going to solve with this. And then I want to go heavy on, not heavy, but like play a little bit more with rhinestones and like applique. Again, this is going to be a very like rushed dress. In the sense I only have a couple days to make it. I have work next week too, where I have things to do. I don't have any fabric though. So this dress could completely change when we get to the fabric store. Hopefully they have something for us. Otherwise, girl, I don't know what we're gonna do. So let's get on the move. good, actually. These are nice laces. That's nice. Bella's gonna be so jealous that I found this after she moved away. This is beautiful. Look at that. I think I found the apparel section. Guys. Oh my god. Real leather. Joanne did not have this. Oh my god. The gingham. All of the colors of the gingham. I'm also literally about to make a gingham dress, and perfect. Now I don't have to order online. I would like some Georgette. Do they have any Georgette in white? These are all crepe. 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 Shimmering chiffon. Lace. Look at the lace. The lace look good. Look at that. This look nice. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, unfortunately I did not make a purchase. They had a lot of good options, but nothing that went along with my sketch. So either I have to find something in my own fabric closet, or I have to go back home, sketch, and then come back. Unfortunately, tomorrow's Sunday, so they're closed tomorrow. But yeah, I don't want to just like willy-nilly buy anything because I'm trying to be better about that. I am trying to save more. No purchase. We need to go home and sketch. It's currently 10:48 p.m. and I think I finally have settled on a design. Well, I know I have, because there's no more time to make any decisions. Like, we can't ponder anymore. We have to act. You saw option 1. You saw me doing option 2. Here's option 3. Let me know which one you like the best, 1, 2, or 3. We will be going with 3 because I need to make it this week. And I really loved option 2. But the thing is, I need like a sheer chiffon for that. And I realized I can't buy fabric unless that fabric store I just went to had the chiffon, and I did not like their chiffons. Unless I wanted to overnight a fabric, which I don't want to pay $60 for shipping. That is not something that I yearn to do. So I went into my fabric closet, you saw me doing that, found this like liquid satin. It's like a shimmering satin, not a liquid organza. I really don't know how to describe it. It's called shimmering satin, not exactly sure what it is. That's what we have to work with. It's from Joanne, rip, so I can't mess up. I also went in my little stash of rhinestones and beads, and I found these beads from when I was a senior in college and I did my couture sewing techniques class and I made that dress. Do you guys remember that dress? If you have been here since that video, then you are a true OG, and you need to comment so I can say hi, because I love you and I appreciate you. But yeah, these look really cute. I'm probably gonna use them in the dress. I just ordered some teardrop beads on Amazon, so hopefully they get here soon. It says they're gonna get here on Monday. It's currently Saturday. And then I ordered a couple more trim options. But I think I really like these. So look at that. We had beads, we had fabric. Oh my goodness. All right, so successful Saturday. I'd love to get ready to go to bed now. I'm quite tired. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, good night. Good morning. Actually, it's almost the afternoon. It's 11:22 a.m. As you saw, I just got ready and then edited and posted a get ready with me video for that Run Fair wedding dress that I just put out. I have not had breakfast or anything yet because I'm really excited to go to a coffee shop. I love trying out different coffee shops on the weekend, and I don't mind driving because I like really hunker down there. Sometimes I'll have breakfast and lunch there. I love it. It's so fun. I love the vibe. So if you guys are in like the Triangle area, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, Cary, all of that, please comment your coffee cafe recommendations, because like I'm willing to drive like 45 minutes to get somewhere. So anyways, I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me. I'm gonna bring a bunch of computer work. Yeah, So let me show you how I pack my work bag. All right, here are the essentials. Laptop, earbud options, iPad, pattern grading book, phone. I take my sanitization seriously, guys, okay? Wallet, SSDs, sunglasses, and this little pencil pouch. How cute. Check this out. I take Hello Kitty very seriously here. I got a pen and a pencil. Ooh. And then just like some other pens and pencils. I like to keep it minimal in the sense that all of these serve one purpose. Marker, erasable pen, highlighter, gel pen, 0.5 thinner gel pen. No, this is the gel pen, and then a pencil. And they're all in the like same color palettes. Oh, I guess I actually don't need this today. I'm not bringing my notebook. Let me show you my notebook. Usually I like to bring my death note to cafes. This is my custom real leather bound death note. Oh my God, it smells so good. And so normally I'd bring this, but I'm actually not gonna bring this today because I'm doing a lot of computer work. So we might as well lighten the load. Also, this is the Lana bag from Coach. Huge Coach fan. The Joni bag, one of their chains, all Coach. Coach cherries. And then I'm bringing Dada out for a little play today. It's her first time out. I like to put my headphones on the outside of my bag. That way it doesn't waste space and it looks cool. Let's go to the cafe. I'm starving and I need my coffee. Let's go. Bye, Hotch. Okay, I've been here for 2 hours and I am sweating. So I think I'm just gonna wrap up here. I'm gonna stop by the nail salon on my way home to get my toes done. And while I get my toes done, I can sketch because I need to do that. But I think I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my day at home. I'm dying, so. Right. Hello. Well, that last task took me way longer than expected. It is currently, I think, almost 7 o'clock. I've yet to start draping this. I also need to grade a whole other pattern, but there probably will not be time to do that this weekend. It's great. Why does everything always take longer than expected? Please tell me I am not the only one. I know I'm not, actually. I think we can all relate to sewing projects taking 5,000 years and the pre-sewing project, like the preparation for it, taking the longest. So now I want to drape my ball gown. It's gonna be a 2-piece, corset and skirt. Duh, this is me. And I just think that's the best way to go. Oh my God, I switched pants because I was literally just sitting down on my futon in there, working, and all of a sudden I started getting super itchy. Come to find out, a mosquito had bitten me 8 times. So I am aggressively inflamed. I have always had this problem ever since I was a child. I don't know why the mosquitoes love me so much. Nothing I've ever done in my life has helped with it. So girl, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now and we're gonna drape. As you can see, I'm in a different outfit because it is the morning. Yeah, I got sleepy last night. I couldn't finish. So this is the finished drape. This piece, it's right here. I didn't sew it on. I was lazy. But here she is. I'm actually quite proud of her. She looks to be fitting quite nicely. I don't know what else to say, girls. I hope you like that little mini draping tutorial. Let me know if you like want more. I definitely have like older videos where I do go into more depth about draping. So here's my quick little mini tutorial. But yeah, I will say, the one thing is this took me around 2.5 to 3 hours to complete, from like marking the style lines to creating the final drape, and that is quite fast for something like this. Like I would say like that I'm pretty speedy, and so I think a lot of people, the mistake they make is like they try to just like power through it, like speed through it, and then that's when you get like things that are a little bit wonky. So yeah, just take your time. I kept remarking lines throughout to make sure it looked good and everything was matching up. But yeah, here's the drape. I think that's where we're gonna end the video because it's no longer the weekend, so we can't really call this the weekend vlog if we keep continuing. So let me know what else you want to see in my weekend vlogs or in any of my videos, and I'll see you next time. So if you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.